So finally the day has come, like we are traveling to Bangalore. So let's see. वहाँ पे जाके अर्पित वेट कर रहा है, सी क्या होता है. फ्लैट उसने देख तो लिया है, अब वी हैव टू सी कि कैसा है कैसा नहीं है.
The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will.
So hi and welcome to the new video. So first of all, airport पे entry के time you have to show your ticket and ID proof. That can be Aadhaar card or anything. And after that, if you have luggage bag, you can drop your luggage and you can get your boarding passes. But now web check-in is mandatory. So like you can get your boarding pass through the email or on your WhatsApp on the registered mobile number. And they will tell you the gate number after that where you have to board.
Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are.
Now I have to show my boarding pass once I get to the staff, and after that I am all set to board the plane.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So this is our flat, this is common room, and this is our kitchen. So like a little bit loaded, and your utensils and all. It is still a bit messy, but yeah, we just moved in, and this is where I'm editing, and I'm gonna put this now. So bye guys, see you in the next one.